Alright, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Good evening everyone. My name is Edwin. I will be your host for tonight. Ayan. So welcome po sa ating mga guests and sa ating mga members. So for tonight po, we're going to present a company which will talk about Forex trading. Alright? So bago po tayo mag-start, allow me to share my screen. Okay. So our session for tonight is about, I entitled this, Bringing Forex Market Closer to the People. Lalaman po natin later kung bakit ganyan yung ating title. And then I would just like to know where our guests are watching this. So for sa mga guests po natin and first timers, I want you to type on the chat box number 1 and the city or the country where you are watching this. Kung kayo naman po ay mga members na, please type number 2 on the chat box and the country or the city where you are watching this. While you are doing that one, allow me first to introduce myself once again. My name is Edwin. Currently, I'm here in Indonesia. I'm a teacher here. And I think 4 na taon na po ako dito sa Jakarta. While teaching here in Jakarta, ako po ay nag-invest sa Philippine stocks, sa US stocks, and also investing also in cryptocurrency and sometimes nag-trade ng cryptocurrency. And dito kulang na lang talaga yung aking exposure sa Forex Market. And nag-aaral ako nung nakaraan about Forex Market. It seems like very hard to understand the concept ng Forex Market. Pero tonight, we will present to you a company na madali lang yung kanyang system. It will help us to earn in the Forex Market. Ano po? So we have we have guests here, Japanese Bricks, and we also have members watching from Pampanga, from Laguna, from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We also have member watching from Israel. Ayan. Welcome po, Ma'am Eleanor and Ma'am Japanese is in Israel. So welcome po. All right. So tonight, pag-uusapan natin ano nga ba ang Forex market and then how can you start investing? And the pinakamagandang tanong dito tonight is what is the minimum investment na pwede mong ilabas? And then also, how can you leverage your money and also how can you leverage your time? So after the presentation, siguro aabot po ako ng mga 1 oras mahigit sa presentation ko. So I'll be asking you to hold on to your seats and maganda sana mag-take notes po kayo para maunawaan nyo. Kasi ilalatag ko lahat for tonight and hopefully ang mga questions na lang natin is yung talagang hindi nyo maintindihan. So right after this, meron tayong question and answer portion. You can ask on the chat box. You can also ask live later. And then yung part 1 po ng ating Q&A will be for our guest only if in case meron silang mga hindi naintindihan. And then part 2 po nito is yung para sa mga new members if they still want to have some clarification. Ano po? Gusto ko rin malaman kung ano nga ba ang profile ng mga tao na nandito ngayon. If you have no knowledge about paper assets, I want you to type on the chat box, type A. And then kung ikaw naman ay bago pa lang na nag-i-invest, probably in stocks or in Forex market, probably less than 5 months, please type B on the chat box. Kung ikaw naman ay seasoned investor na, say for example, you've been investing for 5 years or more, type C on the chat box. At kung ikaw naman ay Forex trader na or nasubukang mag-trade sa Forex, if you are a professional Forex trader, please type D on the chat box. Yan. Okay. Sir George, type B. Bricks is also type B. Sir Roland, type B. Okay. B and A. Alright. So halos lahat pala nandito natin is more on type A and type B. Zero knowledge and newbie in investing. Ma'am Maricar also type A. Ang maganda po dito sa investment na i-represent namin sa inyo for tonight, regardless of whether you are type A, type B, or type C, or type D, mapapakinabangan niyo po ito. Lalo na sa mga newbie na nag-iisip pa lang o naghahanap pa rin ng mga investment tools. Pero lalo-lalo na doon sa ating mga seasoned investors, this can be used for diversification ng inyong mga assets. And kung ikaw naman na professional forex trader na, mababawasan iyong stress sa pag-trade kasi mayroong mga features si company later that we will present na makakatulong sa iyo sa pag gusto mo mag-trade. Ayan, meron tayo dito mga members na professional trader na nagustuhan din yung features ng company. Later, makikita niyo po yan. And right after the presentation, hopefully, marinig natin yung mga share ng ating mga leaders in the company. So meron tayong bagong executive last week. Mainit-init pa yan si Sir Joel. Hopefully, andito siya later para mag-share. And then later, we will hear Sir Mark Anthony Mansalat to share his experience. Siya po ay businessman. Wala siyang alam sa Forex trading, but he was able to be successful in the investment. Tapos si Sir Stephen Lyle naman po ay professional Forex trader at nagpapatrade pa rin siya doon sa company na i-represent namin tonight. Ano po? Success in the global Forex market is just one click away. Noong mga nakaraang panahon po, ang nakaka-access lang talaga sa Forex market ay ang mga bangko, central bank ng bawat bansa, and also other financial institutions. And then kung access naman siya sa mga trader, talagang kailangan mo mag-aral. So those who are professional Forex trader na maglalabas ng malaking fund or pang-tuition para sa mga Forex trading schools. Pero para sa mga retailer, yung mga bagong pasok pa lang, they can access pero nasusunugan sila na account. Ayan. But today, one click na lang talaga siya because of the technology. Ano nga ba ang Forex market? Let us watch this video.
The foreign exchange market, or Forex for short, is a global, decentralized, over-the-counter market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies at current or determined prices. You have probably already participated in the Forex market. If you've ever traveled to another country, you would have exchanged some of your own country's currency for the currency of the country you're going to visit. If you didn't spend all your exchanged currency and deposit it into your bank account when you returned home, and that currency went up in value during your vacation, you would have received more of your home currency for your exchange currency when you deposited your excess foreign currency into your bank. This is also how you make money in the global Forex market. There are plenty of ways to invest your money. Lots of people purchase stocks or bonds. The Forex market has several advantages over the stock and bond market. Stock and bond markets frequently have bull periods and bear periods. A bull period is identified when just about everything in the market is going up. A bear period is identified when just about everything in the market is going down. While it's easy to make money in a bull market, it's much harder for a trader to make money in a bear market when prices are falling day after day. In Forex, there never really is a bear market or a bull market, since each trade consists of buying one currency while selling another. The market never really goes up or down as a whole. One currency going down naturally means the other counter currency is going up. All that matters is the currency you're interested in is either going up or down. Secondly, the Forex market in general is a level playing field. There are no mergers or acquisitions or inside trading to make the market move unexpectedly. The Forex market is the biggest market in the world, with over $5 trillion a day traded. So no one entity is ever big enough to control a market of that size. The market trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. That's 124 hours of continuous trading time available to you. You can start trading at 9 a.m. Monday morning in Sydney, Australia, and wrap up your trading on Friday at 5 p.m. in New York. So the market is ready and waiting for you anytime you want to trade. And because the market is so big, odds are you'll never be stuck in a trade. If you want to get out of a position, you can almost always find someone to buy or sell with. Trades are executed within seconds. Central banks and the global banking industry, governments, financial institutions, multinational corporations, and about 90 million home-based retail trading enthusiasts all trade in the global Forex market.
Alright, so that's the Forex market. Actually, ginagawa na po natin yan, especially sa mga OFW. Pag meron tayong mga kamag-anak na OFW, uwi sa Pilipinas, of course, kung meron sila mga dalang dollars, papalitan lang po nila yan into Philippine peso. Pero syempre yung palitan, yung ano lang, yung recent na currency exchange during that day. Pero kung gusto mo talagang mag-trade, iba pa yon. So you have to look for broker, and then you also have to learn how to use a MetaTrader 4. Ayan. So bakit nga ba Forex? Why we are targeting Forex? Number one, Forex market is the largest and the most liquid financial market in the world. Daily po, ang naglaro dyan na pera ay umaabot ng $6 trillion. Yan. So medyo malaki na po yan ngayong taon na ito. Dati from the presentation, it's 5 trillion. Ngayon, naglalaro na siya ng 6 trillion USD. And then, historically proven to be recession-proof. So kahit nung panahon ng pandemic, and even now, kahit meron tayo nagaganap na war in Ukraine and Russia, still, the Forex market, you can still be profitable. And then, it employs also the most flexible risk management strategies available. Although lahat naman po ngayon ng mga broker and trading company would employ risk management, but the company that we're going to present to you tonight, medyo mapakaganda po ng kanilang risk management. The next one is you can leverage and compound your capital to maximize gains. Para lang po siyang multiplier. So, pag winning ang iyong trade, so mamultiply siya depende sa sinet mo. Pero it's a double-edged sword. Kung sinet mo na winning trade is na multiply, pwede rin ma-multiply yung losing trade mo. So, dito sa mga retailers, mostly pag maliit lang yung account nila, narinig nyo po dyan minsan na nasusunugan sila ng account. So, medyo risky po talaga ang mag-trade din sa Forex market if you are a retailer at kung ikaw lang ang mag-isa. And mas mababa pa ang iyong account. And then another advantage is you can trade in Forex market 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week except Saturday and Sunday. The company that we're going to present to you tonight combine the four gigantic industry in one platform. Of course, unang-una na po dyan yung Forex market. As I've mentioned, daily ang naglaro dyan na pera ay nag-average na ng 6.6 trillion US dollars. So sobrang laki na po niyan. So yung amount na yan, halos sobrang laki pa niyan kaysa sa New York Stock Exchange, sa mga equities and futures market. So ang gagawin ni company po sa atin dyan, tutulungan tayong makikurot kahit konti. So yan yung role ni company. Kasi sobrang laki ng pera, so mataas din po talaga yung risk dyan. So as I've mentioned, you can trade 24 hours a day. So pa nag-open yung Asian market, susundan ng London market. And then pa magsasara na yung Asian market, magbubukas naman yung New York market or yung US. And then ikot-ikot lang po yan. As I've mentioned, ganyan po kalaki yung pera na naglaro dyan. And the company, tutulungan tayong kumurot kahit konti. Ayan. So aside from the Forex market, the other gigantic industry is the e-learning market. According to them, by 2026, the global market will worth around $375 billion. And then the stunning growth of that one, starting from 2001 to 2017, umabot na po ng 900% yung kanyang growth. Okay po. Ako ay teacher po. So during the pandemic, we have no choice but to drag all our physical teaching to online teaching. Buti na lang mayroong Zoom and other platform. Ano po? Nakakatipid din kami ng oras. So imagine nyo if you have a college student or anak na nag-aaral sa university, they need to travel from nearby provinces to Manila or to the city, dadaan pa ng EDSA traffic. So sayang yung oras. With the e-learning, you only require probably 40 to 60% less than the classroom, the time of the classroom, and then makakatipid kayo sa oras. Hindi ka probably yung oras na natitira, pwede mong gamitin sa ibang bagay. Okay. The next one is the network marketing. According to Leigh Brown, network marketing industry had produced more millionaires than any other industry in the history of the world. And halos daily sa network marketing, umaabot ng $200 million yung network niyan. Kaya lang, dito, para itong referral system, no? Halos lahat naman ngayon ng mga financial platform na makikita nyo, they employ referral system. But ang maganda dito sa company na represent ko sa inyo tonight, you're not required to do this. Kung gusto mo lang mag-invest, dito ka lang sa sa Forex market. Ayan. Next one is the Gold 2.0. Ang payment system ni company ay through Bitcoin. Ano po? Tinatawag natin Gold 2.0. At currently, nung tinignan ko kung ano ba ang market cap ngayon ng Bitcoin, umabot ngayon ng halos ng $770 billion. So mas malaki na siya sa US equity saka sa futures market. Yan. So sobrang laki na po niyan. Ang maganda dito is about looking at the technology and the opportunity. Kapag napag-aralan nyo yung blockchain, sobrang ganda yan. So, halos lahat ng mga bansa ngayon, they're also studying about the CBDC, which is the Central Bank Digital Currency. China, meron na silang ganyan. So, yung ibang mga bansa rin is already on the pilot test. Philippines is already on the research phase about the digital currency. Ano to? Ano nga ba ang Bitcoin? Let us watch this.
In recent years, the popularity of Bitcoin has surged forward, with governments, financial companies, and even credit cards partnering with Bitcoin-based companies. The global addition of digital money is gaining popularity and momentum. As regulators continue to integrate Bitcoin platforms, more traditional finance and investment companies such as Goldman Sachs and Fidelity are also getting involved. If you are new to Bitcoin yourself, acquiring a basic understanding of the benefits of Bitcoin would be a wise thing to learn. Here are a few key benefits that have captured the imagination of the financial marketplace and the general public alike. Bitcoin first became available to own and trade in 2009, which was not long after the global housing crisis hit during the fourth quarter of 2008. As a digital asset, Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Their design allows for only a fixed number of Bitcoin to ever be created, so they will never devalue in the same way that paper money or fiat currency devalues from overprinting. This limited supply has created a meteoric rise in BTC value over the past decade, with 2009 prices for 1 BTC at 1 US cent and peaking at a high so far of just under 20,000 US dollars. This projected supply and demand gives Bitcoin a high store value. Many believe it has surpassed gold as a store value asset. The future seems limitless, with a flood of tech companies allowing more convenient ways to access and utilize Bitcoin. Highly respected economists and financial experts believe that Bitcoin prices will continue to rise, ultimately eclipsing 100,000 US dollars and more for just one Bitcoin. The Forex market is also connected to Bitcoin, as highly respected Forex brokers around the world now allow Forex traders to fund their Forex accounts with Bitcoin.
Ayan, as we speak, ang presyo ngayon ni Bitcoin po is $38,859. So last year, umabot siya ng halos $64,000. And hopefully this 2022, we are hoping it will hit the $100,000. Ayan. And nakikita niyo po, during the war that is happening right now between Ukraine and Russia, so there are a lot of donations ng crypto. And meron ding mga refugee was very thankful about the decentralized finance, which is about the cryptocurrency. Kasi nung lumipat sila sa ibang bansa, once they're carrying their assets, still nako-convert nila sa ibang currency. So that's the advantage of decentralized finance and also the blockchain and the cryptocurrency. So napakaganda po ng ating future. I also imagine from 5 to 10 years, our financial system will really drastically change. So try to study the decentralized finance and cryptocurrency. So if you would like to invest in the company, you have actually four exposures here. Number one, of course, is the Forex market. And then if you want to learn how to trade, the company has e-learning modules, kasama po yan sa mga bibilihin natin later. And then, as I mentioned, the payment system of the company is Bitcoin, so you have exposure din sa Bitcoin. Kung ayaw mo naman ng Bitcoin, once you receive your earnings, you can just convert it directly to fiat money. So it's up to you na po. And then if you would like to join us in the business, you can also partially or fully participate in the referral system. But then again, as I mentioned, you are not required to do the referral system. All right. The name of the company that I'm going to present to you today or tonight is Cash Forex Group or Cash FX or CFX. Yan. Bago ko po mag-ipagpatuloy ang ating presentation, I would like to once again, kasi medyo marami na tayo ulit na connected and device. So para po sa ating mga guests, if it's your first time to watch this presentation, please type number 1 and then the country or the city where you're watching this. Para naman sa ating mga bagong members na bagong dating, please type number 2 and the city or the country where you are watching this. Yan, salamat po. Alright, so we have, okay. But type nyo lang po yan dyan, later I'll mention. Okay, so allow me to present to you the background about the Cash FX or CFX. What I like about CFX is their core values about transparency, honesty, and then respect. Okay? Marami po kasi mga company ngayon or trading company na sabi nila they are trading but maya-maya or after several months wala na sila dyan. So CFX is very transparent. Every month po meron kaming monthly meeting with the CEO and yung CEO mismo yung nag-update sa atin. And also, ang maganda dito sa transparency part ng company, pinapakita po nila yung kanilang trade. So pwede mo siyang panoorin habang ikaw ay nagre-relax. Kung gusto mo ring gayahin, okay lang din if you are trading on the Forex market. And then another one is the purpose of the company or the vision of the CEO about providing financial freedom to all members. Yeah. This presentation is titled Bringing Forex Market Closer to the People. So kahit any walks of life of people, kahit nasa middle class or lower class or even the higher class, lahat ay may opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Tutulungan po kayo kahit sa pinaka-lower na trade package. Later, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano ba papalakihin yung lowest trade package na available na binibigay ni company. And then, paano tayo magiging profitable. And hopefully, we achieve financial freedom through their system. And then, again, they provide financial freedom to all members with the help of education or what you call the Premium Forex Academy. So, hindi lang po tayo bibigyan ng isda ng company, tuturuan din tayo mga isda. If in case in the future you would like to trade in the Forex market, meron po silang learning modules. Ayan. And then, of course, dahil napaka-advanced na technology ngayon, meron silang proprietary Forex technology which is tinatawag natin na expert advice or robot. Okay, may sarili po sila or in-house na AI or robot na ginagamit. So hindi po nila binibenta sa labas. Although right now maraming mga EA or robot na binibenta sa labas, pero I think meron ako nababalitaan na even though may robot na sila, still not profitable at the start, pero minsan natatalo din talaga kapag hindi na-adjust yung kanilang EA. Pero yung EA ng company natin, every day ina-adjust yan according to the condition of the market. Okay? Ayan, so we have a guest from the Gupan. We also have member from British Cayman Islands. So welcome, Sir Rans. We also have member watching from Quezon City. Ma'am Sinaida, welcome po. Alright. Ayan. Ang CEO ni CFX ay si Wascar Lopez. So marami po siyang experience about network marketing and also have a success story in cryptocurrency. So ang faith talaga ng company and the payment system is more on cryptocurrency kasi nakita nila yung value ng cryptocurrency. BTC is the alpha of all the cryptocurrencies. So kaya yan po yung pinaka-focus nila. Siya yung pinaka-alpha. Pag tumataas si BTC, tataas lahat yan. And then pag bumababa, bababa lahat yan. So siya po ang alpha. Ayan. And also during our monthly meeting, si Wascar Lopez give us some points on, because BTC is very volatile. So binibigyan niya ng tips yung mga members on how to manage their assets despite the volatility. Ang VP ng trading po ay si Edwin Abad. Later, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang mga team members. Sobrang dami po nilang taon na ng experience sa Forex trading and sobrang gagaling po ng ating mga traders. Tingnan natin later yun. Okay. All right. If you would like to search about a company, the company has a physical office in Panama and meron po tayong door policy. Kung meron po kayong mga kamag-anak sa Panama, you may ask them to go there. Pwede po kayong mag-visit. Okay po? The company is registration number as you can see on the screen. Ayan. So last year lang nagkaroon kami ng ribbon cutting of the company and then meron na po silang open door headquarters, open door policy, and then nag-start ng mag-accept ng mga visitors sa office. Okay, tingnan natin ngayon yung itsura ba ng office and then let's also watch some of the events in the office. Let us watch this. All right, so yan ang office natin sa Panama, no? Our team members are also excited and our leaders excited to visit. So every month meron silang dalawang session na gagawin na ngayon, one for Spanish and then one for English. And ang maganda dito sa company, kapag pumasok ka sa office, makikita yung malalaking TV dyan, so makikita mo yung mga live trades nila. So kung ikaw ay member na, tapos marunong ka na mag-trade siguro after 3 to 5 years, marunong ka na mag-trade. So upo ka lang dyan, tapos you just select a winning trade. Oh, mag-ingat lang kasi pati yung losing trade, pinapakita nila. So ang maganda dito, if you're a forex trader, konting technical analysis na lang yung gagamitin mo dyan. Kasi meron sila mga signal. Later, I'll be showing you yung itsura ng nasa web TV. Ayan. All the members around the world can also access their live trade through their account. Ayan. Si CFX po ay trading company. Okay? Para makapasok ka sa Forex Market, kailangan mo ng broker. So, ang broker partner po ni CFX is si EverFX, which is authorized and regulated by CIMA, which is Cayman Island Monetary Authority. You can also look for EverFX in Cayman Island. So, meron tayong mga kaibigan dyan and members in Cayman Island who can attest that EverFX is existing. Ano po? Let us watch this video to look some background about the broker. Alright, so that's EverFX. Si EverFX po ay sponsor ng Sevilla Football Club. Ayan po. Sevilla Football Club, if not mistaken, is pang-apat na siya ngayon sa La Liga. So if you want to do your research about CFX and EverFX, they really do exist. So you can research them on the internet. Okay? Why we trust CFX? Bakit tayo nagpapatrade kay CFX? Number one, si CFX po ay more than 2 years na, so magkatatlong taon na siya ngayon. And then, they were able to pay out the members halos ng $200 million last down the previous years. Meron kami mga members dito internationally who owns trading company already. And then, they're very curious, ilang percentage ba yung winning trade ni company using the EA. So nung na-compute nila yan, halos maabot ng 90% winning trade. Of course, meron pa ring losing trade si company, pero ang average na lang yan halos 10%. So ganun po kagaling yung EA and ganun kagaling mag-manage yung ating mga professional traders. And CFX is a online platform. Siya ay available sa 200 plus countries. Ano po? Si company ay nasa Panama and since online po siya sa Philippines, hindi pa siya registered sa SEC. The registration for SEC is on the way. Hopefully, makarinig tayo ng good news about the update in SEC compliance this year. Ayan. As I mentioned, ang napakaganda dito is yung transparency ng company. Kung meron ka ng accounts sa company, you can watch their live trades via web TV. And ang gusto ko dito about sa company is yung kanilang technology, yung EA, yung expert advice. So ang gagawin nila this year, yung EA, kasamahan nila ng AI or artificial intelligence. Okay? So in case na merong bad decisions yung EA, so nire-record dyan ni AI para sa susunod na mga trades, hindi na niya gagawin yung same mistake. So we are expecting shoot up on the percentage this year. So that's why the members are all excited. Kumakapit pa rin. But later, I will show you ilan ba yung percentage ng mga earnings namin daily. We'll show it to you later. By the way, these are Wascar Lopez, our CEO, and these are the team of Edwin, ang ating mga traders. We have Hildo, Javier, John, and the other John. Si John mostly sa ating mga monthly meeting, you will see him. and sa YouTube videos also discussing about their strategy. So ang strategy lang natin mga traders dito, they will set a certain percentage target for a day. So for example, 3%. So kapag na reach na nila yung target na 3%, o stop trading na yun. So i-stop na nila yung EA. And then they'll just prepare for the next day trading. So ganun po sila ganun sila ka discipline. Kasi pag mga retail trader tayo dyan, itatakbo pa nila yan. O sige, sige lang, tataas pa yan. Hopeful. Ayan. Pero sila, hit the target, close. Tapos kapag, say for example, maghapon na sila nagtitrade and say for example, 1% pa lang yung nakukuha nila, they gonna close the trade kahit 1% lang yung winning trade. Because they want to secure the earnings of the members and the earnings of the company. So even though it's a small earnings or small winning, basta positive, pwede pa rin yun. If in case na meron namang losing trade, like for example, natalo ka na ng 1% o negative 1%, so ang gagawin niya dyan is i-average na lang doon sa earnings nung the other day. So ganon sila kagaling at kadisiplina sa kanilang risk management. Yan. Ito yung mga sample trade natin na makita nyo sa Web TV. So meron dyan mga buy signal. So kung ikaw ay forex trader na, pwede mo yung sabayan. Yan. So less hassle na sa technical analysis. So they are trading here the major pairs. Ito, GPB, AOD. Sobrang ganda ng EA natin. Ito, sunod-sunod yung kanilang signal. So meron mga strategy po dyan. So minsan pag nasa M5 sila or M15, they do scalping. Ayan. Since, as I mentioned, the payment system of the company is BTC, nagtitrade din sila ng BTC USD. I think this one is month of December. O kahit bakasyon, nagtitrade sila ng BTC. So, and you can see here, sunod-sunod yung mga yung buy signal, sell limit, o sobrang astig ng EA natin. Ayan. So this one is a separate feature of the company. If in case you would like to have your separate account aside from the trade pool, later I will discuss what is the meaning of trade pool. Itong copy trading, hopefully ma-relaunch nila ito this year kasi nag-beta testing na sila dito. Sa copy trading, ang nire-require nila dito na amount is at least $5,000. Okay? Kasi pag ang pinasok mo lang dyan ay $300 or $500, malamang sa malamang masusunog po yung account niyo. So yung $5,000 at least medyo may laban na yan sa market. As I mentioned, the company is 2 years old already, going 3, and last year nagkaroon sila ng celebration in the anniversary cruise. Let us watch ano nga ba ang nangyari during the celebration. Alright, so yan yung ating anniversary cruise. So for this year, I don't know kung saan pupunta. Wala pa kaming balita, pero our leaders are also very excited to join. Yan. Ito pong event na to talagang pinush ito ni Wascar Lopez kasi halos 2 taon na tayo nasa pandemic. Lahat ng mga members nakikita niya lamang sa Zoom. So they really push on the activity for also to see the leaders. As you can see dyan, napaka-transparent nila. So nagpapakita talaga sila sa members. So you can see their sincerity. You will also notice pati yung kanyang wife and then his child na nagpapakita po sa public. So they don't have the intention to run, and then of course talagang pinapakita nila that they're very serious about helping people in building the community. And ang maganda dito, yung company ay nasa second phase na po. So nung nakaraang taon, mga 2 years, medyo maraming challenges, but right now they are building the second phase of the company, and we are so excited about growing and investing in the company. Ayan. Ang magandang tanong dito, paano nga ba mag-start? Ayan. If you're excited to know how to start, please do thumbs up. Or pwede po kayo dyan mag-reaction button ng heart. Ayan, if you're excited to know how to start. Okay, so start tayo. And if you would like to invest in the company, please go back to the person who invited you and then kunin niyo po yung kanyang referral link. So as I've mentioned, meron pong referral si company. Ang maganda kasi sa referral system is dadalhin ka lang talaga ganyan sa legit members. Kasi sobrang dami po ng scam ngayon. So kung kayo ay magsi-self-search lang sa Google, there are a lot of websites na gumagaya kay CashFX because of the good opportunity. So baka mas-scam po kayo. So please go back to the person who invited you, ask for the referral link. Yung referral link na po yun will lead you directly to cashfxgroup.com. Yan. Kung meron na po kayong link, gawa kayo ng account dyan. And then, as I mentioned, the payment system of the company is through Bitcoin. So you have to have a BTC wallet. If you're in the Philippines, you can download coins.ph. Kung ayaw nyo ng coins.ph, at nahirapan kayong gumawa ng account, pwede kayong kumuha ng Abra, Crypto.com, or Binance. So marami na rin users sa Philippines ng Binance. Ano to? I'm here in Indonesia, I'm using Indodax. And then after that one, kailangan natin i-secure ang account niyo. So you have to download Authenticator. It could be Google Authenticator, or kung merong problema sa Google Authenticator, you can also download Authy. Ayan. And then, pwede ka na bumili ng trade package. Don't worry, yung whole process na ito, i-guide ka nung sponsor mo o yung nag-invite sa iyo. If in case bago pa siya, you can message us anytime on the messengers group. We will be willing to assist all of you. So, ganun lang po yan. Bago yan, pag-usapan muna natin yung basic contract ni company if in case you would like to invest only. O kung gusto mo customer ka lang, you would like to invest. Ang tawag dyan sa focus natin ay yung bare capital. Okay? Ang kontrata nila company dito sa bare capital or for customer only is you can earn up to 2 times the total value of your trade contract. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya. And then, kasama sa bibilhin natin yung CFX Academy or learning modules. So, there are three major steps there. So, merong Elemental Series, Advanced Professional Series, and then Supreme Series. So, bawat series po dyan, merong kang bibilhin na e-learning module kasama yan sa ating product. Okay? Under the Elemental Series, there are 5 steps or 5 ladders. Pwedeng $300, pwedeng $500, $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000. So, mamili na po kayo dyan. Okay? So, it depends on your risk appetite. So, meron na kami dyan mga suggestion. Number 1, please invest only the money that you can afford to lose. Take note, this is a Forex market. Still, kahit po nagpapatrade tayo sa company, risky pa rin po yung ating investment. And then, rule number 2 is invest in relation to your personal risk tolerance. Po? Depende sa risk appetite. Okay? Ako nag-start lang din po sa 500. Ayan. As I mentioned, only invest what you can afford to lose. Huwag niyo pong ipapasok dito ang inyong emergency fund. Yung pong pamalengke nyo sa isang buwan, huwag niyong ipapasok. Yung pambayad ng ilaw, kuryente, tuition, huwag niyo pong ipapasok. Okay? So, better if this investment is on a medium term. Okay? Pag hindi po pwede yung pagpasok nyo, pull out nyo agad. So, sayang lang din yung investment. So, again, only invest the money you can afford to lose and you're willing to hold for a medium term. Ano po? So, pili na lang po kayo dyan. So, bawat trade package, merong isang module. So, for example, you you thought of buying $1,000, so meron po kayo dyan matatanggap na tatlong module. So module from 300, module from 500, and module from 1,000, and so on. Next series is advanced series. Meron dyan 5 ladders again, 5K, 7K, 10K, 15K, 20K. Mamili na lang po kayo dyan. So kahit alin dyan, pwede kayong pumasok. Okay? O kung afford nyo naman po. Next one is the Supreme Series, 30K, 40K, 50K, 70K. And the highest trade package is the $100,000. Ayan. So ang dream ng mga members dito is makarating dito sa $100,000. Later, ipakita ko kung bakit. Ano? So, pag-usapan natin yung yung basic contract ni company. So for example, naisipan mong kumuha ng $1,000. So ganito ang gagawin ni company diyan. Yung 70% dadalhin niya sa trade pool. Okay? Pag sinabing trade pool, pagsasama-samahin ni company yung mga fund ng bawat members and then ilalagay yun sa isang account. Okay? Para malaki yung fund. So pag malaki kasi yung ating pera, ibig sabihin we can act as a whale in the Forex market. Okay? Kasi pag ang pinasok nyo lang po dyan, individual account ay $700, o malamang po sa malamang sunog po yan. As I mentioned from the previous slides or from the previous videos, ang kalaban po natin dyan ay central banks, other financial institutions. So mga whales po. Kapag kayo ay retailer lang na $700, sunog po ang account dyan. Okay? Even though pinasok ni company ay 70% sa ating broker, ang gagawin pa rin dyan ni company ay dodoblehin pa rin yung capital, which is yung 1,000, gagawin niya lang $2,000. Ano po? Tapos yung 30% nito, yun yung pambayad natin dun sa e-learning module. So habang kung ano man yung binibili mong trade package, so meron ka dyang mga learning modules na pwedeng pag-aralan. Okay? Unlike kapag ikaw mismo ay mag-enroll sa mga trading academy, yan, meron natin yan sa BGC. Yung ating mga professional traders po dito, maggastos sila ng halos kalahating milyon just to learn how to trade. Pero dito, bumili ka ng trade package, kumikita na siya habang ikaw ay nag-aaral. So I think, especially maganda yun para sa mga busy tao. Ayan. So later, explain ko po kung ano ginagawa ni company dito sa 30% na yan. Pag-usapan natin later. Ganito lang siya. Ito yung tinatawag ko na short-term investment. Parang gusto mo lang talaga madoble yung pera mo. Depende naman sa goals mo. So, paglalapit po kayo sa sponsor nyo later, dapat meron kayong goal. Ano bang gusto mo dito? Short-term or medium-term or long-term? So, pag-usapan muna natin yung short-term part ng investment na ito. So, for example, bumili ka ng $500. So, ang obligasyon lang ni company dyan is dodoblehin niya lang yan. So, yung 500, gagawin lamang niyang 1,000. If in case ayaw mo na, meron po si company na withdrawal fee na 20%. Ang 20% ng 1,000 ay $200. So, ibawas nyo na po yan. So, all in all, ang nasa balance mo dyan na matatanggap sa 800, ibawas mo yung capital mo dyan. So, technically, your profit will be $300. Okay? Tatanungin niya ako, sir, gaano ba katagal yan bago mag 200%? Kasi ito yung method na makikita po ninyo sa account ninyo. So, once you buy a trade package, start ka sa 0%, tapos unti-unti niyang ibabalik yung capital mo hanggang mag 200%. O pag nag-hit po yan ng 200, technically that's end of contract na yan. Gaano katagal yun bago mag-hit ng 200%? Depende pa po sa result ng trading. Pero from our approximation, pwede magtagal yan ng halos isang taon. Could be 12 to 14 months. Depende pa sa result ng trading. Ano po? So ganyan yung kanyang short-term investment. O so, for example, naisipan mo bumili lang $1,000. So gagawin niya lang yan $2,000. Tapos pag ayaw mo na, may withdrawal fee si company na 20%, that's 400. So ang nasa balance mo na lang ay 1,600, withdrawable na po yan. Tapos ibawas mo yung capital mo, so technically kikita ka lang dyan ng $600. Gaano katagal? Depende pa po sa result ng trading. It could be 12 to 14 months. Depende pa. Okay po? So that's the only short-term investment ni company. I hope malinaw po yan. So recall natin, no? So yung mga contract ni company, number 1, dodoblehin niya lang yung inyong trade package na binili. Tapos yung 70% dadalhin sa trade pool or bibigay kay broker. Tapos yung 30% pambili ng e-learning modules. Tapos meron po siyang 20% withdrawal fee. So hopefully malinaw po tayo dun. Ano? This is another condition ni company. Willing lang po silang magbigay, no? They set a maximum trade earning cap up to 15% per week. Yan po yung pinakamataas. Okay? From 0 to 15% maximum per week. Ano po? Um, you have to understand po na si company naman ay merong physical office, may mga employees. They also keep on updating their technology, especially yung ating platform is web-based. So kailangan mo dyan ng matindi-tinding protection talaga. So marami pong ginagastos si company. So meron pa siyang inaasikaso mga compliance and legal stuff for every country. So imagine niyo yung ginagawa niya. So sobrang niya ng dami niya ginagastos. Ano po? So 15% malaki na po yan. Pero from our experience, for per week, halos umaabot lang ng 4 to 5%. At least meron. Kahapon po, this is our earnings, 0.91%. Depende pa kung anong hawak mo na trade package. If you are on the 300 trade package, kumita ka dyan ng $1.91 or halos 99 pesos. Ito po, I computed here, depende sa ayon sa bagong palitan ng piso at dolyar ngayon. Tumaas na kasi siya, 52 pesos na. Ayan. Ako po ngayon ay nasa $7,000 na. So kahapon kumita ko ng halos $44. That's around 2,331. Well, hindi na po masama. I'm busy here in Jakarta. I'm teaching. So habang busy ako sa pagtuturo, busy rin si CFX na magtrabaho para sa akin. So literally, my money works for me through this company. Ano po? Ayan, meron tayong mga members na nasa $100,000 na ayaw lang nilang magpakilala. Baka kasi gawin nating ninong at ninang sa ating mga kasalyan. So kumita sila ng halos $637 yesterday. That's around 33,000 pesos. Ayan. So para sila mga pensyonado. Ayan, last week kumita pa kami ng 4.45%. As you can see here, iba-iba yan kada araw. So depende pa sa result ng trading. So 0.78, 0.89, 1.05, 1%, and then 0.73. Ayan. Kung kayo ay nasa 300 trade package, kumita kayo dyan ng around $9.35, which is around 489 pesos. So, nung last week, kumita ako ng $218. That's around 11,400 pesos. And then, yung ating mga pensionados, kumita ng halos 162,000 pesos. So, ganyan po kalaki yung kinikita pag nasa 100K trade package. Kaya gusto namin marating yan. Later, turuan namin kayo kung paano. So last month, our percentage was 17.83%. So if you're a 300 trade package, kumita ka dyan ng halos 1,957. Ako ay last month, nasa 5K pa lang po ako niyan. So last month, kumita ko dyan approximately 32,000 pesos. And para kung may isa pa akong trabaho, pinapasweldo. Ayan. Yung ating mga pensionados, kumita ng halos kalahating milyon, 652,000 pesos in 1 month. Yan, so ganun po siya. Natatanungin niyo ako, maliit ba yung kahapon, 0.91%? Malaki ba yun or maliit? If you're going to compare the percentage sa mga bangko po natin ngayon, if I'm not mistaken, if you have time deposit, the percentage in the bank will be 0.125 per annum per year. So kung gusto mo maka 1% sa pera mo sa bangko, itambay niyo po yan ng 8 taon doon sa bangko. Pero dito, kung bibigyan tayo ni company ng 0.91 or kung 0.78 man or 0.73, malaki na po yun. No? That's daily. Imagine nyo naman sa bangko. Yan. Yung pong bangko parang safekeeping na lang talaga. So, for 2020 and 2021, ito po yung ating mga earnings. Yan, umabot kami ng 329% noong 2020. Noong 2021, halos 254%. I hope you still remember during the month ng March, April, May, noong 2020, ito na yung start ng pandemic. Yan. Meron po kami mga members dito, inisip nila na, ay baka hindi na magbigay ng earnings si company kasi meron ng pandemic. But as you can see here, meron pa rin. Malaki pa rin to, 23% a month. 25.97 a month. So this is the proof that Forex market is really a recession-proof market. Ano po? It's a really recession-proof. So basta maayos lang yung trading, experience yung ating mga trader, alam nila kung paano ipopesto kapag panahon ng crisis. So very profitable. You will also notice here that pag month ng December, medyo mababa na kasi nagbabakasyon naman po ang ating mga traders. Ayan. So yung kanina I presented about the short-term investment. Ngayon, i-present ko sa inyo yung ibang diskarte. This is a medium-term investment. Tinatawag ko ito na CFX Ladder of Success. So ganito lang po yung system na ito. I-grow na lang natin yung $300 mo. You can start at $300 or $500. And then i-grow na lang natin siya to 100 trade 100K trade package sa loob ng 5 to 6 years. Depende pa sa result ng trading. But from our approximations, pwede po yan ng 5 to 6 years. Okay? Kaya lang dito, kailangan ng disiplina. Ano po, lalo na pag nag-start lang kayo sa maliit na trade package. Kailangan disiplina, wag withdraw ng withdraw. Kasi po si company will allow you to withdraw at least kapag meron ka ng $100 on your balance. Pero dito sa diskarte na to, you have to be patient. Ano po? 5 years, hindi po ganun katagal yan. Ayan. So, approximation is 5 years. Pero nagbigay na ako ng allowance sa 6 years para depende pa sa result ng trading po yan. Okay? So, ang ating short-term investment, ganito lang siya. Kapag meron kang 300, gagawin lang 600. Tapos pag ayaw mo na, meron 20% withdrawal fee. Tapos ang earnings mo dyan, 480. Bawas mo yung capital mo. So, meron kang $180 na profit. Gaano katagal? Depende sa result ng trading, pero pwedeng umabot siya ng isang taon, 12 to 14 months. Kapag ang diskarte mo po sa platform na ito ay buy, end of contract, buy back, end of contract, buy back. Pag ginawa nyo po yung sa loob ng 5 taon, ang kita mo lang dyan ay halos $900 lang. Okay? Kapag naman ikaw ay nag-start sa $1,000, tapos ang diskarte mo rin ay ganun, buy, end of contract, buy back again, end of contract buyback. Pag ginawa nyo po ng 5 years, ang kita mo lang dyan, $3,000. Okay? So, turuan namin kinamagan ng diskarte. So, para sa medium term. So, ganito po yung ating medium term na diskarte. So, mag-start ka lang sa $300, i-upgrade na lang natin yan to the next trade account. Okay? So, yung $300 po in approximation, this approximation is care of Mr. Mark Manansalat. Kinompute niya lang ito, conservative 1%, average 1% a day. So in 1 month, pwede ka dyan merong 20 to 22%, depende pa kung ilang araw sa isang buwan. So ang diskarte lang po dito, ipon lang. For 1 month or for the first month, pwede kang kumita dyan on your 300 trade package ng $40 to $50. Ayan. So ipon lang po yan. Wag muna kayo mag-withdraw. Tiisin nyo muna po yan. Ayan. On the 5th month, pwede ka dyan makaipon ng $250. Okay? Anong gagawin natin dito sa $250? Ayan. Pwede nyo pong i-withdraw. Hindi naman, so, kasi si company, as I mentioned, pag meron na kayong at least $100 on your balance, pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw. Ano po? Kaya nga lamang, you have to manage your account kasi si through BTC po yun. Medyo volatile ang Bitcoin. Kapag bumagsak yung Bitcoin at hindi mo siya na-convert agad, bababa po yung value ng inyong BTC or ng inyong asset. Ano po? So mas maganda, dyan na lang muna yan. Huwag nyo nang ilabas. Kasi si company po meron na ngayon siyang internal upgrade. So medyo safe yan sa volatility ni Bitcoin. Ito naka-US dollars pa yan. Ayan. So kung gusto po ninyong i-upgrade yung 300 from to 500, all you have to do is to pay the difference. Ano po? Hindi mo kailangan bilhin ng buong 500. Itong 500 USD na to. So makaka-discount ka ba? Parang ganun siya. So all you have to do is to pay or add $200 from your earnings. From your earnings. Ayan. So, silent na lang muna po. Salamat. So from your earnings, i-upgrade mo yan. So kailangan mo lang dyan $200. But internal upgrade is considered as withdrawal. So you also have to add there the 20% withdrawal fee. So kailangan mo dyan ng $250. Pag kinompute nyo po yung 20% ng $250, that's 50. Tapos ibawas mo sa 250. So eksakto pong $200 yan. So ang gagamitin natin dito, ipang-upgrade mo na siya. Okay? Ang maganda dito, pag nasa 500 trade package ka na, you had a chance to earn more. Yeah? Pwede ka na kumita dyan hanggang $70 to $80. Depende pa po sa result ng trading. Okay po? Ayan. So, ipon-ipon lang. So, disiplina lang yan. So, on the 13th month, pwede ka na dyan makaipon ng at least $640. Okay? Kung gusto mo mag-upgrade from 500 to 1,000, all you have to do is to pay the difference, which is $500. Again, hindi nyo po kailangan bilhin ng buo yung $1,000. So, makaka-discount tayo dyan. So, bayad ka lang ng $500. Okay? Ang kailangan mo dyan, kasamang withdrawal fee will be $625. If you will compute the 20% of $625, that will be 125. Tapos subtract mo lang yan sa 625. O, saktong 500 po yan. Okay po? O, pag nasa 1,000 trade package ka na, ang kita mo dyan monthly, pwedeng $150 to $160, tapos ipon ka lang ulit. On the 21st month, meron ka na dyan approximately 1,280, or ang kailangan mo dyan to upgrade from 1K to 2K is 1K only. Alright? You don't have to buy the whole 2K package. May discount tayo pag ganun ang diskarte. So, ang kailangan mo dyan, if I'm not mistaken, is 1,250. If you compute for the 20%, that will be around 250 minus 1,250, that will be 1,000. So, upgrade nyo lang po yan. Upgrade from 2K to 3K. 3K to 5K, 5 to 7, then 7 to 10. Yan. Kung makikita nyo po dito, yung differences unang months or yung gap between 5 to 7, medyo mabilis na. Yan, 7 to 10. So, ang ginawa ko po dyan, nag-start din ako sa 500 eh. Tapos, makita ko na, nag-upgrade ako sa 1K, yan, using the earnings. Tapos, makita ko mas mabilis itong 3K, so nag-push ako hanggang 3K para marating ko agad to. So, mas mabilis yung transition. Ano po? Ayan. So, and then, pero pwede naman kayo mag-start ng 300 kung hindi po kayo nagmamadali. Ayan. Pero dun sa mga mataas yung, or aggressive yung kanilang risk appetite, you can start on 500 or 1,000. You can start anywhere. Ang maganda po dito, you can start anywhere. So, meron tayong mga members dito, nag-start ng 1 million. Ayan. So, kaya naman nila yung, kasi mga ano yan, mga risk taker po yan. So, you can start anywhere. Ano po, 1 million is 20K. So, upgrade na natin. So, upgrade mo from 10K to 15K, 15K to 20K, 20K to 30K. Ayan. 40 to 50, 70, then 70 to 100K. Ano po? So, ang maganda dito kapag nag-start ka ng so for example, nag-start ka ng $500, makakatipid ka sa oras. Di ba yung buong transition is 5 to 6 years? So, pag nag-start ka sa 500, o nakatipid ka ng halos 4 to 5 months. Kung nag-start ka ng 1K, nakatipid ka ng halos 1 taon. O, yung mga nag-start po nag-start sila ng 10K, which is kalahating milyon, o nakatipid sila ng 36 months on the transition. So, mas mabilis po silang makakarating dito sa 100K. The higher the trade package kung sa akin nag-start, mas mabilis yung transition. Ayan. So meron dito gusto na pumasok 100K. So ang hirap pong ipasok ng 100K sa ating sa ating mga Bitcoin wallet. Anyway, so makakarating po kayo sa 100K trade package approximately after 58 months. Ayan. Approximately, that's 4 years, 4 point something years. Pero kailangan mo pa kasing i-hit yan ng 200% kung kayo po ay investor lang. So, probably approximate 5 to 6 years na pwede nating yan. Okay? Why we are encouraging lahat ng mga members makarating dito sa 100K? Kasi po, yung daily earnings dyan ay halos $750, which is 38,000 pesos. O hindi nyo po mapupulot yan sa kung saan. Pag weekly naman, pwede ka mag-earn up to 3,500, which is around 176,000 pesos. Monthly, pwede kang mag-earn dyan ng $15,000, which is 756. Yeah. Ayan po. So, ito na yung pinaka-highest trade package natin. And through this earning, imagine nyo pag nasa 100K na kayo, ito yung earnings niyo. So, tuloy-tuloy na po yan. Ito yung financial freedom na hinihit natin. Okay? So, the company will help us to reach 100K trade package. Ayan po. Kapag nag-end of contract na po kayo sa $100,000, you have the option to buy back. Pwede kang mag-buy back ng 50K, ng 70K, or depende po kung gusto mag-buy back ng 100K. O, hindi nyo po kailangan bumalik doon sa 300. Huwag na po kayo bumalik dyan. O, pag nakarating na kayo dito, target 50, 70, or 100. Ayan. And your financial freedom will andito po sa 50 to 100. Ayan po. I'm trying to compare this investment ni CFX sa aking insurance po. Siyempre, ayokong gamitin to agad insurance. Pero maganda sa app ko sa insurance, after 5 years, pwede daw akong kumita dyan ng $241. Pero every quarter, maglalabas naman ako from my pocket. Yeah. Kailangan ko rin magdagdag. After 5 years, yung aking fund, depende pa sa percentage ng growth, it could reach 241,000. Pero yung CFX ko, halos naka 5 million na po yan. $100,000 is in 5 million. Ano po? So, compare nyo naman yan. So, after 25 years, this is my retiring age. Sabi ng aking insurance, pag naka 10% growth ka, ang kita mo na dyan, 1.3 million. Ayan. Pero kay CFX siguro, nakailang renew na ako niyan. Yan po. So, ang maganda dito sa ating investment kay CFX, medium term, pwede mo mapakinabangan agad. So, if you have your goals, like para sa pamilya, pwede ma-attain. Okay? Ito kasing sa ating mga insurance naman, more on, ano siya, retirement. Retirement fund na natin ito. Siyempre, ayoko naman gamitin to agad-agad. Knock on wood. Ayan. And as I've mentioned, ang maganda dito sa ating investment is medium term. So, kailangan po dito ng disiplina. So, if in case you would like to invest in the company. Okay? So, hopefully po, malinaw po yan. So, once again, yan po yung sa bare capital, customer only. Again, kapag lalapit po kayo sa sponsor ninyo, dapat may goal kayo. Ano bang gusto nyo gawin? Go for short term or go for medium term? Yan. So, dapat po malinaw yung inyong goal. Kasi kung mag-invest lang kayo dito, wala naman pala kayong target, o medyo may hirapan po kayo. Ayan. We'll also try to help you para iset yung goals niyo kung wala po kayong makita. And then, pag-usapan natin itong isa pa. As I mentioned, merong referral system si company. Okay? If you would like to join the referral system, ito yung tinatawag natin na bull capital. Okay? Willing si company na bigyan ka pa ng additional na 2 times or 200% of your total trade contract. Okay, kung kayo po ay mag-refer. But then again, you're not required. You're not required to do this. Okay? But then, if you would like to participate on the referral system, disclaimer lamang po, if you want to join here, it's not a guarantee of success. Kailangan niyo po dito talaga ng hard work, consistency, saka massive action. Ano po? Kapag kayo ay meron ng account, ito po, andito yung percentage nyo para sa bare capital, from 0% to 200%. Kapag kayo po ay nakapag-refer na kahit isa lang, ma-activate po itong percentage nyo dito sa bull capital. Ayan, another 200%. O depende pa po sa sipag nyo yan. Okay? Say for example, after a week, nakapag-refer ka agad ng maraming tao, tapos nag-hit ito ng 200%, o end of contract na po kayo agad yan. So, dito po, whichever comes first. If nauna itong imposible. Yung bare capital, kailangan mo ng mga isang taon dyan bago mag-200. Pero ito pong sa bull, posible po yan. Depende sa sipag mo. Pag nag-hit to ng 200%, end of contract na po kayo agad. So, whichever comes first. Okay, whichever comes first. So, I hope malinaw po yan. Ayan. So, para saan nga ba itong bull capital? Okay? Yung pong bare capital is yun yung pang-leverage natin sa ating money or the usual investment. Yung bull capital, pwede po nating pang-leverage ng time. Okay, yung mga earnings nyo po dito, kasi papasok naman yan dito sa pinaka-balance po ninyo. So you just add up all the balance there. Pwede pong mapabilis yung inyong pang-upgrade. So yung 5 to 6 years na CFX Ladder of Success, pwede po mas mapaikli. Depende pa sa sipag ninyo. Meron po dito mga leaders and members, leaders na nakarating po siya sa 100K sa loob lamang ng less than 2 years. Ano po? So, yung time talagang na-leverage niya. Okay? Disiplinado rin dapat. Kung hindi naman, kung hindi pa kailangan ng pera, and you just like to maximize the gain, ano lang po yan, gamitin nyo lang pang upgrade. Pero meron po kami dito mga members na medyo malaki na yung account. Dito na po sila kumukuha ng pang gasto sa isang buwan. Yan, pwede naman po niyang gamitin yan. Ayan. Pag-usapan natin yung sa referral system. As I mentioned earlier, yung 30% of the fund will be used as payment dun sa ating learning modules. Ano po? Dapat po yun ay kita na ni company. Pero hindi po niya kinukuha. Ang ginagawa ni company dito, binibigyan niya yon sa mga gumagawa ng referral system and dun sa ating mga loyal members who keep on trusting the company or keep on investing. Ano po? So say for example, meron kang na-refer na bumili ng $1,000. So bibigyan ka ni company dyan ng 50% of the 30%. Technically, that's 15% if you look at the whole thing. Okay? So meron kang 15% commission. So ganun lang po siya kasimple. Ano po? Tapos bibigyan ka pa rin dyan ni company ng uni-level bonus. Okay? So the 50% will be devoted for uni-level bonus, pero depende pa po yan. Pag-usapan natin ano ba yung uni-level bonus. Ang uni-level bonus po ay depende pa sa position mo sa company. Kung ikaw pa lamang ay bago, ang tawag sa iyo ay ace trader. Kapag naman ikaw ay nakapag-refer na ng at least 3 or 4, depende pa sa position, pwede ka dyang makapag-earn ng 10%. Ano po? So the ace trader and the mentor, they belong to the same vertical position and they have the access of uni-level bonus, which is 10% from level 1 to level 4. Pag sinabi pong level 1, yan yung inyong direct referral. Ano po? Tapos yung level 2 is the referral of your level 1. And then level 3 is the referral of level 2 and so on. Okay? Yung ating mga leaders, for example, yung mga executive na natin, they have access of 20% up to level 6. Yung mga manager natin, may access siya ng 5% up to level 8. O yung ating mga ambassadors, President Club, they have a certain percentage of access up to infinity. Ano po? Up to infinity. Yung tinatawag na global bonus. Ayan. So sobrang dami pong binibigay ni company na reward. Okay? This is another one. This is another unique bonus na binibigay ni company. This is about the withdrawal fee. As I've mentioned, si company po ay merong 20% na withdrawal fee. Okay? Pero hindi po kinukuha ni company yon. Ang ginagawa niya ulit, binibigay niya ulit sa mga members, sa mga leaders and sa mga loyal members na keep on sharing the opportunity. So yung 20% po, hahatiin pa yan. So yung 50% niyan, ang 50% ng 20%, i-pay out yan as matrix during 1st and 16th of every month. Ano po? Tapos yung 10% ng 20% will go to matching bonus and then the 40% of that will go to leadership bonuses. So sa matrix po, merong arrangement na ginagawa si company. Ang tawag nila dyan ay 3x10. Ano po? Say for example, ikaw ito, nasa 100K. Tapos, you share the opportunity. Okay? Ang business po naman natin dito is, this is a teaching business. Ano po? Wala po tayong binibentang product. It's actually a teaching business. So, ituturo mo lang dun sa prospect mo about how to make an account, how to maintain the account, how to secure, and how to use Bitcoin wallet. It's more on technology. Ano po? So medyo advanced talaga itong ating investment. Yan. Pero nakakatuwa kasi kahit po mga senior citizen, natuturuan namin. Yan. So yung mga bata pa nasa Gen Z, napakalaki ng potential kapag naturuan nyo po yan. Now, again, this is a teaching business. So say for example, yung mga nirefer mong 3, naturuan mo ng maayos yan. So that will be your level 1. Ano po? And then say for example, talagang naturuan mo sila ng maayos and then na-duplicate ka. So it's a matter of duplication. So naituro din nila ng maayos doon sa ibang tao. So that will be your level 2. So for example, nakapag-3 lang sila dyan. Tapos yung another po, may 3 din, may 3 din. Ayan. And so on. Ano po? So 3 lang yan. And then up to level 10. Okay po? So kapag nakaabot ka hanggang level 10 mo dyan, on your organization, you could have approximately 88,572 people under you. And then, as you can see here, may mga percentage po dito, no? Iba-iba. So you have different percentage access on your level para sa first matrix. So, sa first level, you have 3%. Pero tinan nyo po itong pag meron ka na dito na level 7, you have access of 30% of the 30% of the matrix. So sobrang laki po, ang dami nilang binibigay. Ano po? Ito pang tawag dyan kapag pababa, it's going deep. Pwede naman kayo mag-going wide. Ano po? Meron tayo dyan, pwede kayo mag-going wide dyan. So for example, naka-4 ka na. So ang ginagawa ni company dyan, ibababa nyo lang dito sa next level. Ano po? Depende pa kung sino mauuna dyan. You don't have to worry about the arrangement. Si company na po ang bahala dyan. So all you have to do is to share the opportunity. And then who knows, malay mo marami na yung nandyan sa baba mo. Basta ituro mo lang na maayos. Okay. If you have your own dashboard na makikita mo dito, may different icons here. So merong bear capital, merong bull capital. O, tingnan muna natin itong bear capital. Sa bear capital po meron 2. Meron siyang trade receive, which is the usual earnings in the trade pool. And then minsan meron ka pa dyan matatanggap na matrix. Ano po? Depende dun sa position mo doon sa matrix 3x10. Po? Mayroon dito mga members, hindi naman sila nag-refer, pero may natanggap. Po kasi nga dun sa merong specific arrangement sa 3/10. Okay? So kahit di po kayo mag-refer, meron kayong matatanggap. Okay? It's like a profit sharing of the 20% withdrawal fee. As long as nasa baba po ng ng matrix. Of course, yung mga masisipag po dito na mag-refer, like sobrang dami na ng members under them. So, pa nag-withdraw sila, nag-upgrade. So, mas marami silang matatanggap. Okay po, pag mas masipag, marami po matatanggap sa matrix. So, ganun lang naman po yan. Ayan. Oh, this is another one. Part of the 20% withdrawal fee is the 10% personal matching. Ito pa, depende pa po ito sa ano ninyo, sa trade package naman ninyo. This is all, so for example, nasa $300 and $500 ka na trade package, you have access of 3% from your level 1 to 3. Ano po? And then, this is the reason why we're asking our members to upgrade their trade package. Kasi pag mas mataas yung trade package, mas maganda. O, tinan nyo pag nasa 10K ka, 10K, you have access of 30% from your level 1 to 7. Yeah. Tapos, yun on your level 7. And then, kapag nasa 30K ka, you have access of up to 10% sa iyong levels 9 and 10. So, the higher the trade package, mas marami ka makukuha. Okay, from the profit sharing. Okay, once again, kapag bagong members ka pa lang, so you have access of daily trading, force matrix, fast start, and unilevel. Yung ating mga leaders dito, tumatakbo na yung kanilang personal matching, global leadership, and generational matching. Once again, our target here for medium-term investment is to reach $100,000, and then the bulk capital will help you to leverage on time kung gusto mo mas mapabilis. Okay, depende pa po kung gaano kayo kadisiplinado. Alright? Huwag pong sobra-sobra ang pag-withdraw. So, ganun lang po yan. Okay? So, let me drink water first yan. Ito po, balik tayo. Ayan, pag-usapan natin ito ngayon, why we are recommending our members to do partial involvement in the referral system. Yeah. Hindi naman po kasi lahat dito ay networkers. Yung iba naman natin mga members dito, they just wanted to invest. Yung iba walang skill makipag-usap sa tao or medyo nahihiya or also busy sa work so they don't have time to do the referral system. But we recommend you involve your family members. Okay? Kahit hindi ka na lumabas, kahit yung mga family members mo na lang. Halos lahat po ng mga members namin dito lahat na ng kanilang buong pamilya sinali na nila under them. So ganito yung pakinabang dito. So for example, ikaw tong bumili ng $300, tapos you are the head of the family, and then ginawan mo na account under your referral link your partner o sa misis. Tapos ginawan mo din ng account si panganay and pati si bunso. Ayan. So meron kang 3 tao under your link. Ano po? By the way, if you would like to enroll your kids, better if they're malapit na sa legal age like 16, 17, 18. Kasi po si company merong KYC, they will soon open it again. Pag sinabing KYC, know your client. So kailangan po meron dyang ID or identification, and also kung merong passport, mas maganda. Meron kami mga members dito, sinali yung mga 5 years old, 6 years old, 7 years old. Ayan. Okay lang naman po basta merong mga identification, passport. Ang maganda sa Philippines dahil meron na tayo ngayong national ID. Ayan, medyo paki-prepare na lang po yan if in case you nakapag-open ka ng account for your kids. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung account ni Mrs. Okay? Pinaresent mo kay Mrs. yung opportunity. So for example, naisipan lang din niya na i-upgrade lang yung kanyang $300 to 100K from in 5 to 6 years. Yeah. Sabi niya, kaya daw niya magtiis. O, kaya niya magtiis ng 5 to 6 years. I-compute natin. Ano ba yung iyong advantage dito? Okay, pag bumili siya ng $300, meron ka dyang fast start bonus, yung tinatawag natin na commission, which is 15% of that. That's 45. Tapos bibigyan ka pa ni company dyan ng unilevel bonus ng 10%. 10% of the fast start. So you have 4.5. So in total, meron kang 49.5. Tapos after 4 to 5 months na may earnings na si Mrs. or yung partner mo, tapos mag-upgrade na siya. Okay? Ang ginamit niya na pambili dyan is $200. Hindi ko na po sinama dito yung 20% withdrawal fee. So, all you have to do is to add 200 para makapag-upgrade ka from 300 to 500. So, may kumakuha ka dyan 15% ng 200, that's 30. Tapos, unilevel bonus. So, in total, you have $33. Tapos, after several months, nag-upgrade siya ulit from 500 to 1,000. So, meron ka na naman dyan matatanggap. 15% of 500 and then unilevel bonus. And so on. Nag-upgrade siya from 1K to 2K, 2K to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 10. Wag mo na mag-withdraw, push pa. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 70, and 70 to 100K. So after 5 years. Yan po. So sumahin niyo po lahat yan. So habang nag-upgrade siya dyan, meron pumapasok sa account mo in total na $16,500. Ano po? Yan ay tumataginting sa piso na 863,000 pesos. So yung pong pera na to, pwede nyo gamitin na pang-upgrade ninyo. So mapapabilis talaga kayo ng ano. So ang purpose nung, ang magandang purpose doon sa account sa baba mo is pang ano siya, pang-accelerate ba? So pampabilis din. Okay? So, ayan. Merong 3 account sa baba mo. O multiply mo lang ng 3 yan. So kapag yung 3 ginagawa niyo yung the medium-term investment, mayroon ka dyan matatanggap. Si company will give you approximately 2.6 million. Yeah? On those 3 accounts. Meron po tayong mga members dito na ang kanilang level 1 50 mahigit. O, imagine nyo na lang po yan. 3 pa lang ito, no? Sa 3 pa lang, pag 3, yan ang matatanggap mo. O, imagine nyo po yung mga members na sobrang sipag. On their level 1, they have 50. O, kayo na lang bahala mag-multiply kung gaano karami yung makukuha nyo dyan. Ayan. Tapos, for example, nag-end of contract na. So, naisipan lang ng buong pamilya na mag-buyback. Ang iba-buyback lang nila is $50,000. Automatic ka, pasok po sa account nyo yung 15% commission, which is $7,500. Meron pa yung unilevel bonus. So meron dyang 8,250. 3 sila. Di meron kang 24,750. That would be around 1.3 million. Automatic po yan, ibibigay ng company sa iyo. So, ilan yan? So, pwede mo pa siyang pwedeng pang-upgrade, o pwede nyo rin pong gamitin na yan, pwede nyo nang i-withdraw. Ayan. On the 3rd cycle, probably your family can afford now to buy back. No? Ang maganda po dito talaga, yung financial freedom is the buyback. Yun ang maganda. On the 2nd and the nth time. Okay? Nag-buyback sila ng 100K. O imagine nyo po, lahat ng members nyo ay nasa 100K na. So you have a fast start of $15,000, unilevel of 1.5. So all in all, for the 3 account, you can receive up to 2.6 million. Yeah, automatic po yun, ibibigay ng company sa account mo. So, ganun po siya kaganda. Ano po? So, hopefully, nakita nyo po yung structure, ano? So, kahit partial pa lang yun, partial pa lang po yun. Hopefully, you can see it. No? So, imagine nyo po yung mga leaders namin na sobrang sipag. So, that's why they accelerate their account in less than 2 years. Yeah. So, once again, ang dream po lahat ng members dito is to achieve 100K. Kasi andun po sa 100K yung financial freedom na hinahanap natin. Wala po yan sa 300 package, wala sa 500. Okay, so focus your eyes on the diamond, which is on the 100K. Ano po? So hopefully po nakita niyan. If you're very serious about doing the business, you had a chance to become an executive, manager, director, president, ambassador, or global ambassador. Ang Philippine team po ay under ng Power Team. Meron po silang website that you can visit if you need some support in the trainings. So meron po kayong mga, don't worry, assist po kayo dyan. Sa Philippine team po namin, meron kaming training every Monday. That is for free. Mag-member ka lang, lahat ng trainings ibibigay na po namin sa inyo. So we're here to support all of you in terms of assistance in referrals. Ano po? Ayan. Ano nga ba yung mga prices na binibigay ni company if in case you would like to be serious in doing the business? Let us watch this video. Woo!
Wow! 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 here! There's a lot of happy people here! Oh my God!
Alright, so yan po yung mga prices na bibigyan ng company. Ano po, so sobrang dami. So kung kayo naman ay magiging na ditong executive, you had a chance to win an iPad worth $900. Kung ayaw nyo po ng iPad kasi meron na kayo, you just get the 75% of that, which is $650 in BTC. So pwede nyo po yung ibibigay po ni company sa inyo in BTC. Kapag kayo naman naging manager na, you had a chance to win Rolex, estimated price is $10,000. Kung ayaw nyo ng Rolex, you just get the 75% of 10,000, which is $7,500 in BTC. Yan. Kung kayo naman naging director na, you had a chance to win a travel package with a friend worth $15,000. Kung ayaw mo naman ng travel package, you can just get the equivalent dollars, which is $11,250 in BTC. Kung kayo naman magiging part of the President Club, you had a chance to win Porsche. Estimated price is $100,000. Kung ayaw mo ng kotse at ayaw mo ma-question ng customs regarding sa dumating na kotse, baka magkaroon pa ng problema. So you can just take the 75,000 worth dollars. Kung ikaw naman magiging ambassador na, you had a chance to win Ferrari. Estimated price is $200. Kung ayaw mo ng kotse, kunin mo na lang $150,000 in BTC. Kung ikaw naman ay nasa global ambassador na, you had a chance to win Lamborghini worth $500,000. Kung ayaw mo ulit ng kotse, kunin mo na lang $375,000 in BTC. Sobra-sobra na po yan. Actually, you can make 3 accounts using this. Tapos, sobra-sobra na po yan. Ikaw na bahala. Let us watch the message of our members all around the world.
Best decision of my life was to join about a year ago. A year ago, life was hard. It wasn't like it is today. I didn't have the financial freedom as I do today.
I would have never thought a year later that I would have taken a 6-week vacation. I paid off some old debts. I've been able to support my family in ways I would have never thought before.
CFX has changed my life.
So I see this being a legacy company. I'm sticking around, loving the journey.
CFX has had a huge impact on my life and has allowed me to be able to stay home with my 2 beautiful children.
I just feel so blessed to be a part of something so amazing.
What CFX did was bridged me to the district of endless possibilities.
CFX has changed my life and given me the freedom.
Right now, I am earning on a passive income. I do not need to worry. I'm learning from the Forex market, and it has changed my life for the better.
I came back from Europe in the middle of COVID lockdowns and no job. A friend shared this with me, and I jumped in, and I have not only become financially free, I've tripled my income in less than 6 months.
I'm working full time with this, and I'm really looking forward to the future.
Me and my entire family are experiencing more financial freedom. I'm very grateful for that.
CFX has given me the opportunity to make money without lifting a finger.
Helping us earn money, even in the midst of global crisis.
CFX has helped me through the hard time during a 10-week complete lockdown, keeping me busy and staying easily at home.
All thanks to Cash Effects. We don't need to be in an office stuck and worry we're not getting paid, but we're getting paid every week because of Cash Effects.
Your Saturdays will go. Catching!
And my Saturdays are getting better and better every week, and I love it.
I will tell you that CFX has not only given me an extra income in this difficult time, CFX has also made me develop myself.
A special thank you to CFX for changing my life in the last 16 months. I love everything about this company.
Thank you to CFX. 1 year on, I am financially free.
Welcome to our CFX family.
Välkomna i vår CFX-familj.
Välkommen till vår CFX-familj.
Välkommen till CFX-familjen.
And we will welcome you into our Cash FX family.
And welcome to the Cash FX family.
Welcome to the family.
Welcome to our CFX family.
And po, we would like to welcome everyone. We are very happy to welcome everyone to CFX family. Hopefully, nakita nyo po yung ganda ng buong system. CFX will help us to reach financial freedom. Pwede ka lang mag-start po sa small trade package para masubukan lang yung platform. It could be 300 or 500 para masubukan mo. Pero anytime po pwede kayong mag-top up. Again, pwede kayong mag-start anywhere on the ladder kung depende po sa inyong risk appetite. Pero hopefully, all the members are targeting to reach the 100K trade package kasi andun po talaga yung financial freedom na hinahanap natin at inaasam-asam natin para sa ating pamilya. So hopefully nakita niyo po yung ganda ng system. Once again, if you would like to try the platform and try to invest, please go back to the person who invited you and ask for the referral link. Don't worry, i-assist po niya kayo dyan. Ano po? Later, we will be